Earlier this year, I made a video about the best side hustles for 2023, and included in that video, I asked a question: would you be interested in learning more about different reoccurring affiliate programs? Now, I had a lot of people comment and say yes, they'd be interested. So what I'm going to do is actually put together a list of the 10 best reoccurring affiliate programs that you can get started with today. So make sure you watch this entire video, because one of these reoccurring affiliate programs is off the beaten path. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online, and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna talk about these 10 different reoccurring affiliate programs. We're gonna talk about how much money you can make reoccurring. We're gonna talk about different ways that you can get started and potentially which one's the best for you. So let's go ahead and get into it without further ado. The first one that I really like is actually Kinsta. Now, Kinsta is a premium web hosting platform. Now, in the past, I've talked about Bluehost, I've talked about HostGator, but with this one, with Kinsta, you're going to be targeting established websites, bloggers, people that are getting a significant amount of traffic. Now, with Kinsta, you'll earn up to $500 on the initial payment plus 10% reoccurring. And if you know anything about websites and web hosting, once people get locked into a web hosting platform, you can see here, it actually comes out to a pretty good amount of money per month. It's very difficult for people to leave. It's a headache to switch web hosting platforms, but Kinsta is a great opportunity to get some reoccurring commission. Number two is one of my personal favorites. It's called GetResponse. Now, you use GetResponse, or I primarily use GetResponse for my email marketing. When I send out my automatic emails and my autoresponder and my broadcast emails, I primarily use GetResponse. And it's a really good opportunity for people that are just getting up and running, because they have a free plan. And then as you grow your business, as you can see here, as your business grows, you pay more. So you're not paying a lot up front. It is a cool opportunity. Now, with GetResponse, they have two different things going on. They have a bounty program, and then they have a reoccurring program. With the reoccurring program, it's 33% reoccurring every single month. And it's much like web hosting. Once you get locked into an email marketing platform, it's very hard to switch. You got to download your different emails, and then you got to upload them to somewhere else. It's much easier if you just stick with one. But I really like GetResponse. They have a very easy to use user interface. You just have to make sure that you are on top of, your number of contacts. But I really like email marketing. I like GetResponse because every business needs it. It's not just locked into online business owners. People that have an offline business, a small mom and pop, they also need email marketing as well. After GetResponse, we have Samcart. Now, I've actually used Samcart in the past, and it's comparable to ClickFunnels. You can sell your digital products. You can host your online courses, online services. It's an all-in-one platform. If we take a look, we're just going to scroll down here. You can see it's a digital product e-commerce platform. Once again, online courses, ebooks, membership sites, coaching, consulting. It really does it all. It's, like I said, comparable to Builderall, comparable to ClickFunnels. It probably has more features than ClickFunnels, but it's a really good opportunity. As you can see here, you can get started for free. Now with Samcart, they actually offer a 40% reoccurring. So if you are looking for, again, a thing that's difficult for people to move off of, especially once they're off of that free trial, this is a great place to go. And you can create content where you compare Samcart to Kartra and Builderall and ClickFunnels, and you can actually be an affiliate for both. But this is a really cool opportunity. You can see all of the different features that are included, everything from email marketing, post-purchase upsells, which are huge for people that really want to make more money with the same followers. Also, an affiliate center. So if you want to bring on affiliates, a very good opportunity as well. After Samcart, we have VPN, purevpn. Now, VPN, or virtual private network, basically allows its users to mask where they are on the internet. If you are concerned about privacy and security on the internet, or if you want to watch movies in a different location. For example, if I want to watch the Canadian Netflix, the Canadian version of Netflix, I would look at getting a VPN that has a hosting center in Canada so I could watch those Netflix shows. So there are a few different use cases for VPNs. A lot of people use them. They're really popular. As you can see, want to access your favorite online content. You're going to spoof where you want to live. And this isn't just for people that want to watch TV outside of the country. This can also work for people that want to watch TV shows outside of their region. For example, let's say I'm a huge LA Dodgers fan. I live in Wisconsin. I'm not able to watch those channels locally. But if I get a VPN that has a server, a database in California, it gives me the potential to watch the LA Dodgers, even though I'm here in Wisconsin. With purevpn, it's 35% reoccurring. Again, this is a really popular platform for a number of reasons, and you can take advantage of this opportunity. If we scroll down to the pricing, you can see it starts at just $2.08 per month, but it graduates from there. This is probably one of the best 2 or 3 VPN services out there. They also accept Bitcoin as well, or cryptocurrency, which is another incentive to consider this. After purevpn, we have the old faithful, which is ClickFunnels. Now with ClickFunnels, it is a web page builder. You can also use ClickFunnels for membership sites. For if you're selling physical and digital products, you can also do drop shipping with ClickFunnels. Now the cool thing with ClickFunnels is they offer up to 40% reoccurring, and their prices, they've got 2 pricing models. They have $97 per month and $297 per month. Again, you also have the opportunity of winning a dream car if you have 100 people on your roster reoccurring. And that's a pretty cool opportunity. They do limit the type of cars that you can get, but this is a really cool opportunity. And again, this is for people that are looking to use sales funnels to drive their business. If they're looking to sell digital or physical products, it is really for almost anybody that wants to have an online presence. And again, this is very comparable to Samcart, Builderall, and Kartra. After ClickFunnels, we have Jasper. Now, I did want to throw in an AI writing tool in here because AI writing, ChatGPT is all the rage. Now, Jasper or Jasper.ai, they do have a component where they have a ChatGPT thing. Now, the benefit of using Jasper is that they have a bunch of templates for you to use. If you need help writing blog posts, if you need help writing Facebook ads, there are different templates that you can just plug and play. You answer a few questions, and then next thing you know, it comes out with some writing. Now, I will say this until I'm blue in the face. Always use writing software like Jasper, ChatGPT to help you write. Don't use it as your sole copywriter because it won't sound like a human. There's no human element to it. But you can see there are tons of different use cases. You can write blog posts, YouTube scripts, emails. You can do all sorts of stuff. And as you can see on the screen here, the commission is actually 30% reoccurring for life. So if people start Jasper, they leave and they come back, that is an opportunity to help you earn some reoccurring commission. After Jasper.ai, we have Crowdfire, which is a social media management tool. You can use this or customers can use this to help schedule and upload their social media to help them grow even more and even faster. There's a few different options with Crowdfire. People can use this as individuals or customers or small businesses. There's also an opportunity as well to do agency work with this. So if you wanted to work for a small number of small businesses, you could use Crowdfire or as an agency. Now with Crowdfire, they'll pay you 35% reoccurring or up to $420 per customer, which is not a bad deal. After Crowdfire, we have Semrush or SEMrush. Now, Semrush is a SEO tool to help you find keywords and help you to rank higher. Now, there are a ton of tools out there. I believe this is one of the few that actually offer affiliate programs to help you make money. But you can see here, this is a great tool to use if people are looking to find keywords, if they're looking to rank better, if they're just trying to get in front of their target audience. With Semrush, they offer a 40% reoccurring commission. If we take a look at the pricing here, you can see this stuff is not cheap, but it can help put money in your pocket. Now, if you're thinking about this, you want to target people that are looking to grow their blog, they're looking to have a better presence online, people that are interested in SEO or search engine optimization, you could actually promote Semrush to them. Really cool opportunity. After Semrush, we have Teachable. Now, Teachable is a platform for people that want to host online courses. Now, of course, you can sell digital products through this as well, but this platform is only focused on helping teachers or coaches sell online courses. Now, the cool thing with this, with Teachable, is they have a free level, but then as you can see, it graduates from there. Teachable offers 30% commission reoccurring. So every single month, as long as they remain a customer, you can make money. Now, if I'm promoting Teachable, I'm going to be comparing it to their competitors. I'm also going to teach people how to create online courses. I'm going to talk about alternatives to Udemy and alternative to Skillshare. If you teach people how to start an online course and then say, hey, look, Teachable is a great place, a great platform to get started, you can be successful promoting this program. And the final one that is off the beaten path just a little bit is called Learn Cake Decorating Online. Now with this program, they actually offer 50% reoccurring, but you can see they teach people how to decorate cakes. There's all sorts of opportunities on this site here. If we look at beginner course, this is where you could start earning commissions by helping people learn how to decorate cakes. Now, if you think about this, people that want to decorate cakes are not just parents, but people that want to get into maybe the bakery business, people that want to, expand their business into offering additional services. But you can see that this is a really cool opportunity. We click on become a member here. You can see that there are lots of opportunities. Now that you know the 10 best reoccurring affiliate programs, click the first link in the description for my free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start to get those planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.